3 non-inflammatory coffee creamer brands. Brands coffee is an important part of many people's daily lives, but for those looking to make their cup of joe a bit healthier, finding a non-inflammatory coffee creamer can be difficult. Number 1. Coffe Farms Plant-Based Oat Milk Creamer. There's a growing trend of people choosing to go plant-based, and one of the main reasons for this is the health benefits that come with following a plant-based diet. One of the most popular forms of plant-based nutrition is consuming dairy-free creamers. Tips on how to maximize the flavor of your coffee with plant-based creamers. When using plant-based creams in place of dairy creams, it's important to pay attention to several key factors in order to achieve an amazing cup of coffee every time: temperature, grind size, water quality/pH levels, and brewing time. 2. Nut Pods Dairy-Free Creamer. When it comes to coffee creamer, there are a lot of options out there. However, not all of them are healthy or suitable for everyone. That's where Nut Pods Dairy-Free Creamer comes in. Made with coconut milk and almond milk, it's an anti-inflammatory option that provides rich flavor without added sugars. It's also vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and lactose-free. Plus, it's completely free of carrageenan, a common allergen, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a healthier alternative to traditional creamers. 3. Laird Superfood Coffee Creamers. These creamer brands are sugar-free, non-GMO, vegan-friendly, and reduce inflammation and boost wellness. They also offer a variety of flavors like espresso and mocha coconut. Not to mention, they're great for smoothies, lattes, and oatmeal. We have looked at 3 of the best plant-based and dairy-free coffee creamers on the market: Coffe Farms Plant-Based Oat Milk Creamer, Nut Pods Dairy-Free Creamer, and Laird Superfood Coffee Creamers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coffee videos like this.